खुश रहो बेटिया. I, JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Our today's topic of the session is how to choose a virtual machine provider. In earlier session, we have discussed about virtual machine. So, selecting a virtual machine and cloud providers doesn't have to be challenging as long as you know what to look for. The virtual machines needs to fit your workload, needs a business budget, of course, but other factors play a key roles between you and your virtualization environment. Here are some points which is very important if you are using virtual machine. So you have to take care of these points when you are taking virtual machine, some virtual machine provider. The first point is your reliable support. You have to ensure that there should be customer support 24 by 7 by phone and other also interaction platform like email, chat or walk away. You want a real person on the other end of the line to help you through critical IT situation. It is also important to note which cloud providers offer additional services for more hands-on backing. The second one is a managed option. Does the cloud provider offer both unmanaged and managed solution? Right. So your providers will be responsible for setup, maintenance, and ongoing performance monitoring. The third one is your software integration. Your virtual machine provider is taking care of your operating system, third party software, and open source technology and applications, which you deliver more solution across your business. If you will want a virtual machine provider with the do support for and a strong partnership with the industries most used software suppliers, but you have to take care that your vendors lock in. The fourth one is your high quality network and infrastructure. It is very important because how to set date in the is the infrastructure your new virtual machine will run on. This includes dependable bare metal servers. Bare metal servers means your physical server, modern data centers, and the network backbone. A cloud provider should be able to deliver its part of the deal with the state of the art hardware and high speed networking technology. Location location is also very important. You have to take care where is the location of your service provider, because the closer the data is you to your users, the less you will run into with latency, security, and timely service delivery. Okay, backup and recovery should be also mentioned if you want to take the virtual machine. What plans does your cloud providers have in place for keeping your virtual machine up and running in the face of unexpected event? Suppose if any events occur in your virtual machine and your data is lost, then some backup should be there. That's why you can recover your data. Scalability is this facility is also very important in a virtual machine provider. That means if you want to how fast and easy will it be for you to spin up, spin down, reserve, pause, and update your virtual machine. Okay, as the demand of your project and your organization. Varied CPU configuration also. The more configuration, the better. Not every virtual machine configuration fits every workload during every session of usage. Be sure to look for virtual machine providers that delivers varied configuration package for both single and multi-tenant requirements. Security layers is also important. When you when you demanding a virtual machine, then you have to ask from your provider, and then your business data is a currency in the highest form, especially when dealing with the sensitive client information. Private network lines is easier. beneficial for you, where you can encrypt your data, and encryption features is available, and meeting regulatory compliance standard are essential to protecting your most valuable asset. Seamless migration support. Your IT priorities will always evolve. This Any virtual machine provider should be able to help you lift and shift between hybrid on premises and off premises environments. Look for full data ingest over the network and application migration operation options, right? So this is all about of this session. I hope you like my session. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. Thank you, class.